and make way for the undefeated Crazy 8 champion, the diva of demolition, Miss Ritter!
Boom! Look at here, boys. We got us a couple of rookies. I want to call you Muddy Britches, and you Lemonade.
Hey, neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
All right, everybody, let's go racing!
I'm about to commit a moving violation!
What are you doing? Gotta keep moving!
Shouldn't be out here.
Move, move!
I can't steer.
Turn right to go left. Turn right to go left.
That doesn't make any
Turn
sense.
right to go left.
Hey, Patty.
Oh, hey, Bill.
Look, Ma, I can drive.
Oh, man!